My cookie cutter's red, guys. Is this a good sign? Is this a good sign? Are we gonna get eternal sugar? Never mind. Never mind. Mom, we're gonna get eternal sugar. We are good. Mom. It's just more eternal sugar. Angel cookie, go away. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, hell no, man. Oh, but my cookie cutter was in there. One more. We need to get my gorgeous queen. Come on. I turn off the cookie. Oh god, oh god. Ginger Brave, go away, please, please. Are you kidding me right now, bro? I have the weakest one ever. Oh shoot, that's bad. That's bad. This is bad. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Oh, there's no company. Wait. Such a bad sign. Oh, please. Oh my gosh. No, I wasted all of my food. And her girl. I am so good. Let's try to get platform. This is a bad sign, bro. This is a bad sign. For some strange reason, I cannot play the whole game without winning. Come to me. Okay. My first try. Okay. Oh my gosh, only one. Oh gosh. Stop! 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 No! 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 How did I get him on my first try? Stop! 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 Bro, what the? Stop, bro! Stop! Stop! What the frick? Oh my god! Stop! 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 Bro, stop, bro! Oh my gosh! How did I get him on my first try? Oh my baby, bro! How did I freaking get him on my first try, bro? How did I get him but not Eternal Sugar Cookie? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. How? How? How did I do that? No. Stop. Stop. Stop, bro. How? How? How did I do that, bro? How? What the frick? That is so hurt. This game is rigged, bro. How? How? Whose luck did I steal, bro? Whose luck did I steal? Let's feed my little baby. Feed him, bro. I'm gonna put him on my team. Oh gosh, I just everything. How the frick did I do that? How did I do that? That is crazy. That is so crazy. Oh my gosh. How, bro? Wait. That is crazy. That is crazy. So don't even ask me why my name is Black Sapphire. I'm just a little beginner. Yeah, just a little beginner. See, bro, yesterday I got what's the name? What the fuck is that? Fire Spirit Cookies. I got them yesterday. And I also got the big bag. What's the name yeah, I'm not saying the name. And I also got whatever her name. Yesterday, I wasted all my things. Oh my gosh. How the heck did I do that? Okay, that's crazy. Like, I took out pure vanilla. I took out pure vanilla. What should I take out? I don't know. Should I put Viper? Let's figure out the Sapphire. I guess. Sapphire, my husband. It's the one thing that I never took out. No. Maybe. This is bad. I'm just like. After everything, I'll go over to. I'm not technically. Fuck you. Did I put auto? I don't have it. Go good with you. Oh, amazing. That scared me in the first part. That scared me. I knew that he was gonna get hit. I knew that he was not sure if he was gonna get the same. Look at my baby boy just jumping in happiness and joy, bro. He's enjoying his life. Oh. Ooh. Cool. Ow. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Mission. I'm gonna put this in here. Step 5, charge it, and yeah. I'm gonna make a live stream either, I don't know, but I know I'm gonna make a live. I'm gonna try.